friends, good morning all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ashish Chikna. Now today we have discussed about the topic of orthogonal matrix and unitary matrix. So now take lecture number 4. Then previous 3 lectures are also provided in the playlist of this channel. तो बात करते हैं आपके पास ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स एंड यूनिटरी मैट्रिक्स की स्टेप टू स्टेप इस डेफिनेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स. Now anyone this channel first time, so please subscribe and bell icon press. Now upcoming in the future video. So now discuss about the topic orthogonal matrix. Now take down and write orthogonal matrix definition. A transpose is equal to I. Now A transpose is equal to I. A be the orthogonal. A be the orthogonal. Every element आपके पास ये A है, ये always in real. Each element are always real. Now A inverse is equal to I. I be the unitary matrix आपके पास. Now this form is also known as A transpose is equal to A inverse. Now definition we will write A transpose is equal to inverse of A is known as orthogonal matrix. Now orthogonal matrix is very important term, so we have discussed about A transpose is equal to I. I be the unitary matrix. I be the unitary matrix. Then unitary matrix we have discussed about this topic after. So we have to study about properties are also known as orthogonal matrix. Now A transpose is equal to I. A is equal to आपके पास orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal, then every element of A are always in the real form. Now A inverse is equal to I. A transpose is equal to A inverse. Now properties. Now firstly we have write this topic. Now after properties will also written as board. Firstly, each row and column of orthogonal matrix can be treated. Each row and column are also can be treated by as लिख दें as normalized vector. First property, each row and column of the orthogonal matrix can be treated as normal vector, normalization vector. Then second आपके पास note down, first note down, then after second note down. Now second property, any two any two row. Now row will be left to right and column will be top to bottom, or any two column of an orthogonal matrix can be treated as, अब की बार नॉर्मलाइजेशन के रिप्लेस ऑर्थोगोनल vector. Now any two row and any two column of the orthogonal matrix can be treated as orthogonal vector. Now third properties will be take, then start the determinant of a matrix will be the either +1 or -1. Now for explanation for these three number point, so we have that is A transpose is equal to I, as we know definition of orthogonal matrix. Then in this case determinant of a matrix A. Now we have to discuss about determinant of A. Net after the determinant of A transpose is equal to I be the unitary matrix, then we have to value in this case 1. Now determinant of A इसकी वैल्यू A is equal to 1. Base same आपके पास power will be added, then after A square is equal to 1. Now for this solution A is equal to ±1. Now first topic will be complete orthogonal matrix and its properties. Now take down and write. So we have to after start unitary matrix. Now also note down this term, and after we have to start the topic unitary matrix. Unitary matrix. Now unitary matrix, we have to discuss about the definition of unitary matrix. Then A dagger is equal to A dagger, A is equal to I. यहाँ पे आपका A be the unitary, A be the unitary of always in complex form. उसमें आपका orthogonal में real form, but in this case in the complex form always. Then it will also write down A dagger is equal to A inverse. But in the previous case orthogonal matrix definition A transpose is equal to A inverse. But in this case of unitary matrix, then A dagger is equal to A inverse. Then its definition also write down A dagger of the matrix is equal to the inverse of matrix A, then this definition is known as unitary matrix. Then also write down this definition and after properties of unitary matrix. Now write down this term. Now we have to discuss about properties of unitary matrix. Properties of unitary matrix. Now definition are also known as A dagger is equal to A inverse. Now first properties will have to discuss about the determinant of unitary matrix. The determinant of a unitary matrix will be unit modulus. The determinant of the unitary matrix will be the unit modulus. Then also explanation is A dagger is equal to I. Now determinant of A into my determinant of A dagger is equal to I. I we have the unitary matrix then also known as value 1. Then determinant of A, now determinant A or now determinant of A dagger. Now also written as this term, so also be the known as A dagger आपके पास A. Now A into में A square is equal to 1. Now unitary, the determinant of unitary matrix will be have unit modulus. Now this term is known as verify for the first properties of the unitary matrix. Now second properties will also be the written as unitary matrix, each row and each column, each row and each column. Now row will have elements written as left to right. Now column we have top to bottom. Now each row and each column of the unitary matrix can be treated as a normalized vector. Now third properties will be the unitary matrix, any two row or any two column, any two row and any two column. Now row will we have left to right and column we will have top to bottom right of a unitary matrix can be treated as a orthogonal vector. Orthogonal vector. Now each row and each column of the unitary matrix can be treated as a normalized vector. Now third point will be the properties. Any two row or any two column of an unitary matrix can be treated as the orthogonal matrix. Now today we have to discuss about the term orthogonal matrix and unitary matrix. So term will be the complete. Now short trick to learn about orthogonal and unitary matrix will be. Now firstly short trick to remembering point. Remembering point for short trick. Firstly, orthogonal matrix. Firstly, orthogonal matrix will be have A transpose is equal to A inverse. Now, second unitary matrix. A dagger is equal to A inverse. Now today we have to complete about the topic orthogonal and unitary matrix. Then please subscribe and first time for the YouTube channel, so please bell icon press. Now upcoming the future in the video. Now Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.